السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the sixth part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic Language for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to talk more on some basic rules regarding the use of numbers in Arabic, most especially numbers from 11 to 20. How do we use them in alignment or in agreement with Arabic grammar? La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Rule number 1. If the number represents feminine, the first part of the number must be stated as masculine, that is mudhakkar, while the second part be stated as mu'annath, feminine, if what is being counted is feminine, that is mu'annath. If what you are counting is mu'annath, the first part of the number must be stated as mudhakkar, while the second part be stated as mu'annath. I repeat. If what you are counting, the term that you want to mention after the number, is feminine, the first part of the number must be stated as masculine without ta'ul marbuta, round ta at the end, while the second part will be stated as mu'annath, meaning with ta'ul marbuta, round ta at the end. Let's try to illustrate using the following examples. Wahid number 1. Khamsa ashrata bintan. Khamsa ashrata bintan. 15 guess. What are we counting? Bint, guess. That is mu'annas. So in that case, the first part of the number will be stated as mudhakkar, which is khamsa, not khamsata. While the second part of the number is stated as mu'annath, ashrata, not ashara. I hope you understand. The same principle is applicable to the remaining numbers. Ithnan, number 2. ثماني عشرة امرأة. ثماني عشرة امرأة. 18 women. ثلاثة, number 3. تسع عشرة مصطرح. تسع عشرة مصطرح. 19 rulers. أربعة, number 4. سبعة عشرة موزة. سبعة عشرة موزة. 17 bananas. خمسة, number 5. ستة عشرة سورة. ستة عشرة سورة. 16 surahs, 16 chapters of the Noble Quran. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Rule number 2. In case what is being counted is mudhakkar, that is masculine, the first part of the number will now be stated as mudhakkar, while the second part will now be stated as mu'annath. If what is being counted, the term that is being mentioned after the number, is masculine, the first part of the number will be feminine, while the second part will be masculine. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. So let's try to illustrate using the following examples. Wahid number 1. Khamsata ashara ibnan. Khamsata ashara ibnan. 15 sons. Not khamsa ashrata, not khamsa, rather khamsata, because what we are counting is masculine, is mudhakkar. That is why. And the second part will be ashara, not asharata, not ashrata, rather ashara, because what is being counted is masculine, is mudhakkar. I hope you understand. So the same principle is applicable to the rest of the numbers. Ithnan, number 2. ثمانية عشر رجلا. ثمانية عشر رجلا. 18 men. ثلاثة number 3. 19 مرسما. 19 مرسما. 19 pencils. 4 number 4. 17 مسجدا. 17 مسجدا. 17 mosques. 5 number 5. 16 درسا. 16 درسا. 16 lessons. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now talking about the rule guarding the use of 11 and 12. Their own rule is special. So we must treat 11 and 12 in a special way. So rule number 3 concerning the use of 11 and 12 in alignment with Arabic grammar is that if what is being counted is mudhakkar, that is masculine, the two parts of the number must be masculine. I repeat, if what is being counted is mudhakkar, is masculine, the two parts of the number must be stated as masculine or as mudhakkar. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Okay, let's try to illustrate using the following examples. Ahada ashara kawkaban. 11 stars. Kawkab is mudhakkar. Why is it mudhakkar? Because there is no ta'ul marbuta at the end of the Arabic word kawkab. So we treat it as mudhakkar, not as mu'annath, because of the absence of a ta'ul marbuta, round ta. Ahada ashara kawkaban, not ihida ashara. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Ithnan, number 2. Ithna ashara shahran. Ithna ashara shahran. 12 months. Thalatha, number 3. Ahada ashara rajulan. Ahada ashara rajulan. 11 men. Arba'a, number 4. Ithna ashara taliban. Ithna ashara taliban. 11 students. Khamsa, number 5. Ahada ashara mu'alliman. Ahada ashara mu'alliman. 11 teachers. La'alaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now rule number 4. If what is being counted is mu'annath, feminine, the two parts of the number must be stated as mu'annath. I hope you understand. Being the opposite of what we discussed just now. Let's try to illustrate using the following examples. Wahid number 1. Ihda ashrata madrasa. Ihda ashrata madrasa. Ihda ashrata madrasa. 11 schools. Ihda ashra, not ahada ashara. Ahada is mudhakkar, while ihda is mu'annath. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Ithnan, number 2. Ithnata ashrata surah. Ithnata ashrata surah. 12 chapters of the Noble Quran. Surah is mu'annath. That is why ithnata is being used, not ithna. Ithna is mudhakkar, while ithnata is mu'annath. Thalatha, number 3. Ihda ashrata imra'atan. Ihda ashrata imra'ah. 11 women. Arba'a, number 4. Ithnata ashrata talibah. Ithnata ashrata talibah. 12 female students. Khamsa, number 5. Ihda ashrata mu'allima. Ihda ashrata mu'allima. 11 female teachers. La'alaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Lastly, now talking about 20. Either 20, ishirun, thalathun, arbaun, khamsun, situn, sabuun, thamanun, tisiun. Their principle is the same. the term being mentioned after 20 does not change 20 as a number in Arabic grammatically. It doesn't change it. It doesn't have any grammatical effect on 20. I hope you understand. What is being counted after 20? Either 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. What is being counted after them does not have any grammatical effect on them. I hope you understand. For instance, Ishiruna Baytan, 20 houses. Ishirun is Ishirun. So Baytan does not have any grammatical effect on Ishirun. Like the one that we like those ones that we discussed just now. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Wahid number 1. Ishiruna Baytan, 20 houses. ثلاثون بيتا أربعون بيتا خمسون بيتا ستون بيتا سبعون بيتا ثمانون بيتا تسعون بيتا. The same principle is applicable. اثنان number 2. عشرون سورة عشرون سورة 20 chapters of the Noble Quran. ثلاثة number 3. عشرون امرأة عشرون امرأة 20 women. أربعة number 4. عشرون طالبة عشرون طالبة 20 male students. خمسة number 5. عشرون رجلا عشرون رجلا 20 men. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the revision exercise. So carefully fill in the gap using the appropriate options. Wahid number 1. How do we say 13 notebooks in Arabic? How do we say 13 daftar notebooks in Arabic? So which of the two is the right form of the number? Is it ثلاثة عشرة or ثلاثة عشرة? اثنان number 2. So how do we say 12 daftaran, 12 notebooks? Is it اثنا عشر or اثنتا عشر? ثلاثة number 3. So how do we say 11 duster ممسحة 11 ممسحة 11 dusters? Is it أحد عشرة or إحدى عشرة? So which of the two? That is the right answer to the question. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Arba'a number 4. So how do we say 11 pupils or 11 learners? تلميذا. Is it أحد عشرة or أحد عشر? خمسة number 5. So how do we say ثمانية عشر? So which of the two numbers that accurately represent ثمانية عشر in words or in figure? ستة number 6. سبعة عشر 17 in words. So which of the two options that can be taken as the right answer? Then we talk about sab'ah, 7. So how 7 is written in Arabic? So which of the two options do you think is the actual figure for 7 in Arabic? Then we talk about thamania, 8. So now which of the two figures that actually represent thamania in Arabic? لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to click the link below to download any of my books right here at the comment section. Like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.